Hi, I'm Mary Elizabeth, dietetic intern at K-State Research and Extension, and I wanted to talk with you a little bit today about portion sizes and what a correct portion size is. You should strive to eat about 6 ounces of grains every day. A serving of grains is about 1 ounce. This piece of bread is a 1 ounce portion of grains. This is a half a cup of rice, which is also a 1 ounce portion. This muffin also represents a 1 ounce portion. And this bowl of cereal is a 1 ounce portion. A portion of bread should be about the size of a CD. You should eat about 2.5 cups of vegetables every day and about 2 cups of fruit every day. The correct serving size for cooked vegetables is about 1/2 cup. These peas are about 1/2 cup. You can visualize that to be about half of my fist. The correct serving size for fruits is about 1 cup. This is a cup, and you can imagine it to be about the size of a baseball. If you see, I have this apple, which is about the same size of a baseball, and this is a 1 cup serving of fruit. Another way to measure your fruits and vegetables, particularly your vegetables like potatoes, is to use the idea of a computer mouse. This is about the correct portion of a potato. You should eat about 5.5 to 7 ounces of meat and beans every day. This right here is about 3 ounces of meat, which is the correct portion. You can see that it's about the size of a deck of playing cards. Whenever you're planning your menus for the meats, think about a deck of playing cards and match your meat to that. The correct serving size for peanut butter is about 2 tablespoons, or you can imagine it to be about the size of a ping pong ball. This is 1 tablespoon, so imagine this twice, 2 tablespoons, and that's about the size of a ping pong ball. You should get about 3 cups of the milk group every day. This can include milk, cheese, and yogurt. The correct serving size for cheese is 1 ounce. This is a 1 ounce slice of cheese. You could imagine that to be about 3 dice. The correct portion size for milk is 1 cup or 8 ounces. This is an 8 ounce cup of milk. So now that we have talked about the different food groups and ways to estimate the correct portion size, let's build a meal together. For the baseball, we used an apple. So there I'm going to put the apple. This is our fruit for the meal. Next, we had the mouse here, which if you remember, we used that for the potato. So I'm going to put a potato to fill this portion of the plate. The next portion of the plate is about 1/4 of the plate that is made up of the grains. If you remember, we used the CD to illustrate the size of the grain group. So we used bread. So I'll put bread to fill that portion of the plate. The last portion of the plate, the last 1/4, is the meat group. A lot of people feel like their meat should take up more of the plate than this, but this is actually the correct portion. You see our deck of cards here, so I'll take the chicken that we illustrated with earlier and fill that portion of the plate. And now you see that we have completed our plate with all the correct food groups. If you wanted, you could substitute the green peas for the potato in this half, and you'd have a more colorful plate. For more information about portion sizes and for this handout, you can visit www.shawnee.ksu.edu.